Ladies and gentlemen, this is how I plan to make $1 million in 2023. At the start of this year, I had two main goals in mind. Number one is to make 6 figures from trading. And number two is to get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And surprisingly, I managed to achieve both of these goals by December 2022. So in 2023, I want to think bigger, aim for the moon, and maximize my potential. So for 2023, I had two new main goals. Number one is to make $1 million from trading, and number two is to get 1 million subscribers on my YouTube channel. I know this goal might seem big and impossible, but you know what they say, if people are not laughing at your goals are way too small. I am very fortunate and grateful to be given the opportunity to do what I love to do and also make money from it, which is trading. And also, now let me talk about my 3 main income streams. I'm gonna list them down in order according to what makes me the most money. So firstly, we have trading, and then followed by mentorship or coaching, and then followed by YouTube, which is my AdSense income. So you can see in order, trading makes me the most amount of money and I earn the least amount of money from YouTube. So I want to talk about like the importance of having multiple income streams as a trader or as any person in general. If you want to become rich, you must have multiple income streams. But it's very important, especially if you are a Forex trader or a day trader. So in my first year of trading was my only income stream. So I will put my life savings or whatever later money I have in my bank account into my trading account. When I do that, I have the psychology of like, oh my god, I must make money when I'm trading. I cannot lose this money, because if I lose this money, I won't be able to afford food and transport. It's literally like whatever little money I left in my bank account, I'll put inside my trading account. And this causes me to make a lot of stupid mistakes. I will force trades. Every day I wake up, I will just straight away go to the charts and tell myself that, you know what bro, I have to make money today, right? I must make money today. So even though there's no opportunity for the day, I will still take trades. I will still force myself to take trades. And that causes me to take a lot of shitty trades. And as you guys know, shitty trades equal to losses. So how I really fix that is by having multiple income streams. Because now that I have multiple income streams, I realize that even if I lose money when trading, even if I'm not profitable this month from trading, guess what? It's okay. I still have other income streams to supplement my daily expenses, to allow me to buy my food, buy my transport, whatever it is covered by my other income streams. And this kind of remove the psychology, you know what, I have to trade every day, I have to make money every day. And this will really allow you to free yourself from taking stupid random trades. Now that is exactly why I will encourage you guys to have multiple income streams. And as you guys know me, I'm always 100% transparent and honest with you guys. So this is exactly why I have multiple income streams. Now next, I'm gonna talk about my main income stream, which is trading. This is really what's gonna like move the needle in 2023, and it's gonna allow me to make the most amount of money. So in 2023, I'm gonna focus on these two things when it comes to trading. Number one is continuous learning, and number two is execution. So let's talk about continuous learning first. I made it a goal to always learn as a trader. No matter how good I am, there's always something new that I will learn every day when it comes to the market, because every movement in the market is unique, right? What's gonna happen in the future has probably not happened in the past before. So when it comes to continuous learning, I'm gonna do a few things. Number one could be back testing, right? I'm gonna spend more time front texting my trading strategy, and whenever I have a free time, I'll try to back test. And number two is that I want to study. I want to continue study more advanced trading strategies and start to revise like my own notes, and just like take some time out to really like revise and study all my trading strategies, how I trade, my trading style, and basically study with my little notebook where I have literally all the secret sauce when it comes to trading. And then I will also want to journal more I want to make sure that I journal down all my mistakes, journal down all my trades, record down my trades, and maybe I will even implement like this new way of journaling by screen recording down my trades and just like talking over the video to see like what went wrong, what went right, and what I can learn from it. So these are some things that I will implement inside my trading and try to improve on more as a trader. And for execution, I want to focus on trying to make as much money from trading as possible. So for execution, I plan to get more funded accounts. I plan to get $200,000 funded accounts, and also I plan to trade my own capital as well. So if I can get funded $200,000, I will slowly scale up that account or even buy more funded accounts so that in total I can get $1 million in funding when it comes to trading. And then on top of that, like I said, I'm going to be trading my own capital, and this will add as like an additional push to my $1 million goal. Now, taking into account these two things, continuous learning and execution, this is how I plan to make the most amount of money that I ever made in my life from trading in 2023. Now, I'm going to share with you how to get ahead of 99% of people in the next 6 to 12 months. So it's very important for you to create a vision for 2023. But the best way to do that is actually by creating an anti-vision and having like a negative thing. Negative energy is very powerful, it's very potent if you can transmute it correctly in the right way. So let me give you an example. Let's say one day I walk into the gym and I get on the treadmill and I start thinking about what my life would be like without the gym. And this actually allowed me to get more motivated and push harder, because I know that if I did not do this workout today, if I do not give this workout my all today, I'm gonna be fat and lazy in the future and not disciplined, and that will not do me any good. So this actually pushes me to complete my workouts. I just want to remind you that negative energy is not bad if you transmute it and channel it into improving your life. So I want you guys to sit down with a pen and paper in your hand and start thinking about what do you not want your future to be like? What do you not want your day to look like? And literally just sit there and just think about these two things, and trust me, it's going to be very, very painful and uncomfortable, right? It's not supposed to be comfortable. It's supposed to be uncomfortable so that you can really feel the pain, and then you want to do something about it so that you can improve your life. So for me, I've actually written down that if I did not have a purpose in my life, if I wasn't making these videos and trading, I'll be doing these few things. I'll be addicted to video games, watching porn every day and masturbating, smoking, drinking, swiping on dating apps mindlessly, sleeping late, lazy to work out, eating junk food, addicted to instant gratification, social media like Instagram, TikTok, and I'll be very depressed and blaming life, blaming God for why is my life so shitty. So yeah, these are some of the things that I used to do because I did not have a purpose in life. And after reading through this, I was like, holy shit, I do not want my life to look like this ever again. And I also put down that in the future, I do not want to stay at my parents' house past the age of 30. I do not want my parents to still be working their ass off. I do not want to live my life without realizing my full potential. I do not want my future to be purposeless and broke and living in the streets. And I also do not want my competitors to outwork and surpass me, as I should be the only one that conquers this industry. So this was my anti-vision for 2023. So after you have written down your anti-vision, write down your vision next, your vision for 2023. And remember, your vision is basically just the opposite of your anti-vision. And the next thing to do is to plan out. Create a plan, create a strategy for exactly what you're going to do on a day-to-day basis, week by week, everything you're going to do for the next week, and write it out and get extremely specific. Because if you do not create order in your life, you will decline into chaos. So I want to talk a little bit on my mindset when it comes to money. So recently I realized that I do not give a solitary fuck about what price is that thing anymore. I can buy whatever the fuck I want right now because I know that money is not real. So the other day I treated my family to a nice Christmas dinner in this seafood restaurant, and I realized that the bill was $366. I look at the bill, and I give the waitress the credit card and just say, all right, let's get it. $366, guys. This was like a huge sum of money last time. But right now, $366 do not feel like $366 anymore. It feels more like $36 to me. Once you get to a certain stage of enlightenment, you realize that money is not real, and you realize that money is just a piece of paper and it's infinite inside this economy. So you can always make more money. So moving forward in 2023, you should not be focusing on saving money. You should not be focusing on not spending that $5 on that coffee or settling for a lower quality of life because you want to save money. You should be focusing on increasing your income and making more money in 2023. And I show you exactly how to do that in this video right here. So click on this video right here to find out more. Watch this video next. It's really, really important. And I literally give you like a complete guide on how to become a millionaire in 2023. And remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.